Hi there, Nick from Website Success. So I'm going to just give you a very quick run through of our AdWords optimization software, which it's a great piece of kit if you're running AdWords and you want to kind of keep on top of your marketing within AdWords. Now, it's not going to write your adverts for you. It's not it's not going to replace that side of things. But what it does do is it uses a high level of computer intelligence to work out what's working, what's not working in your campaign, and then it comes and it suggests improvements, as you can see there, for you to make across the account. So things like adding structured snippets to a campaign, adding a keyword based on a search term that occurs fairly regularly, and that type of suggestion. So it's a really useful tool just to allow you to be a little bit more hands off. So if we go through and have a look at some of the more complete, things that have been completed, pausing duplicate keywords that have cropped up, writing a new ad. As I say, it won't write the ad for you, but it will give you ideas as to where you should be writing those, which adverts need additional adverts to help you split test or whatever. Pausing losing ads, so things that never convert. Then let's look at those and get those paused. Got duplicate keywords again here, so it gives you a whole host of suggestions over time, just to keep that campaign running efficiently and performing to the best, but obviously making sure that you're not wasting your click spend as well. So we can come and we can have a look at performance. It gives us the performance side of things. We can look at a scorecard within here. We haven't set it up for this campaign, but I'll go in and make sure the guys get that done. And importantly, we can come in and do top level management. So we can come in and edit the budget we're using for these campaigns. So it gives us a very quick, things that we can do in AdWords, but it gives a very quick and easy look at what's happening in the account, and allows us to amend and edit those items as well. So it's included with the Digital Toolkit. So if you haven't already, sign up today just above.